So sometimes we have our students in a list here and we want to see how they're going, and we scan up and down until we find out which ones are going well and which ones are maybe struggling. It'd be great if we could color code it. Now we can use a thing called conditional formatting, which will color code based on a result. So all conditional formatting does is it looks at a cell and will do an action like color it based on the condition. So let's say any student above 80%, we'd like to make it green. And any student below, say 40%, we'd like to make it, say, red. So all we need to do is we need to highlight these cells here. And then I like to go right mouse click. And then right down the bottom of my screen, there is a conditional formatting tab. Click on that. And up will pop a window on the right hand side. And it automatically colors everything green, but don't panic. What we'd like to do is we'd like to come across to here and say, let's say if it is greater than or equal to, let's go 80. Now this is a decimal, so remember we've got to put in 0.8 because that is a decimal because it's actually reading 0.8 and not 80%. And if that's going to be 80%, that's going good. Let's leave that green and go done. And while we're there, it says, do you want to add another rule? Yeah, we'd love to add another rule because we want to mark any student that is below 40% or zero point 0.4. So we can go add another rule, click on here. Let's come down to here. Let's go less than or equal to. Come into here, go 0.4, and let's make that a red color. That color there looks okay. Click on that one there and go done. Then we can just shut that side of the window down. And now we have a color-coded result here so we can see which students are struggling and which students are going well. Really easy using conditional formatting.